Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, I will show you how to convert USDT ERC20 to BNB in Trust Wallet. So let's get started. First, launch Trust Wallet and log in using your passcode or fingerprint. Once logged in, tap on the Browser tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and tap on Pancake Swap. You will be directed to PancakeSwap Finance page. If you don't see your wallet icon at the top, tap on Connect to connect your wallet. After connecting, ensure you select the BNB network by tapping the drop-down arrow and choosing BNB. Next, at the top, tap on Bridge. Once redirected, select your token, tap on the token field, and choose USDT. In the network field, select Ethereum. For the next token, select BUSD. The network field should automatically select the BNB chain. Enter the amount you want to convert. After entering the amount, tap on Swap at the bottom. Wait a bit, and your USDT ERC20 will be converted to BNB. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.